If you're a property manager and your day-to-day operations is making sure the staff is doing what they're supposed to be doing, walking the buildings, checking the financials, reporting back to your board members, handling any emergencies, what happens when you have an insurance claim, a major claim? That's something that your in-house staff can handle. A water, a fire loss, multiple floors involved. Handling an insurance claim while handling the day-to-day operations is a full-time job around the clock. At United Public Adjusters, we do this exclusively representing the policyholder, your clients, to ensure that they get every dollar they're entitled to. And of course, we report back to our clients. We keep them in the loop so you can report back to your board members or to your clients. When you have a loss that's sizable, you're going to need someone to really spend their full time and energy in making sure every dollar is accounted for, any loss of revenue is addressed. And for those reasons, those are some of the thoughts that a property manager should consider when deciding whether to hire a public adjuster. If you don't have the time to put into the claim process and you don't want your clients' claims being minimized, give us a call. We're here to help you out, and we can be reached at 1-800-718-5677. Thanks.